Welcome to Unveiling the Mysteries of El Niño and La Niña, where we dive deep into the fascinating climate phenomena that shape our world. From the warm embrace of El Niño to the icy repose of La Niña, these two powerful forces influence weather patterns, economies, and ecosystems on a global scale. Join us as we explore their frequency, the connections to climate change, and the lessons history has to teach us about these complex systems. Prepare to discover how understanding these phenomena can illuminate the challenges we face in our changing environment. 1. Understanding El Niño and La Niña, a climate phenomenon. El Niño and La Niña are two sides of the same coin, known as the El Niño Southern Oscillation, ENSO. This climate pattern revolves around changes in sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. Think of it as Mother Nature's way of keeping balance, but sometimes she tilts the scales, creating dramatic weather shifts. These phases are like the swing of a pendulum, each with its distinct characteristics, impacting weather patterns on a global scale. It's not just a scientific curiosity. Understanding ENSO is crucial for preparing for its wide-ranging effects. By grasping the basics of El Niño and La Niña, we can better anticipate and adapt to their influence. 2. The warm embrace of El Niño. During an El Niño event, the Pacific Ocean gets a little too cozy, with sea surface temperatures becoming warmer than usual. This warming can turn global weather patterns topsy-turvy. Imagine the ocean as a giant heater, causing unexpected weather changes worldwide. In the southern US, it often means more rain, while on the other side of the globe, places like Australia and Southeast Asia might experience drought. El Niño doesn't play favorites, it changes the rules for everyone. Understanding these characteristics helps communities prepare for potential impacts, from agriculture to infrastructure. The warmth of El Niño is more than just a temperature change, it's a global game changer. 3. La Niña. The icy counterpart. If El Niño is the warming embrace, La Niña is the icy breath, bringing cooler sea surface temperatures to the Pacific. This cooling often leads to opposite weather effects compared to El Niño. In the southern US, it's like someone turned off the rain faucet, resulting in drier conditions. Meanwhile, Southeast Asia and Australia might find themselves reaching for umbrellas as wetter weather takes hold. La Niña is nature's way of balancing the scales, but it can be harsh. Recognizing these patterns allows for better disaster preparedness and resource management. La Niña's cooling influence extends beyond borders, shaping weather in unexpected ways. 4. A global weather influencer. El Niño and La Niña aren't just local weather quirks, they're global influencers. Their impact ripples across continents, affecting weather, temperature, and precipitation patterns. Imagine them as conductors, orchestrating a symphony of weather changes that can affect agriculture, water supply, and even disaster preparedness. From the rice paddies of Asia to the cornfields of the Americas, these phenomena leave their mark. Understanding their reach is vital for communities reliant on predictable weather patterns. Whether it's too much rain or too little, the influence of El Niño and La Niña is felt far and wide, underscoring the importance of accurate predictions. 5. Frequency and duration. A rhythm of change. El Niño and La Niña events aren't everyday occurrences. They follow a rhythm, appearing every 2 to 7 years. Each event typically lasts about 9 to 12 months, although some can linger longer, like an uninvited guest overstaying their welcome. This irregularity makes predicting them a challenge, but it's a challenge worth tackling. Understanding their frequency and duration helps communities brace for their arrival. Just like the changing seasons, these events have their own timetable, and knowing when they might strike is crucial for planning and preparedness. The rhythm of ENSO is a reminder of nature's unpredictable patterns. 6. Economic ripples in their wake. The economic impact of El Niño and La Niña is like a ripple effect, touching various sectors and industries. These phenomena can wreak havoc on agriculture, causing crop damage and disrupting food supplies. In regions heavily reliant on predictable weather, such as fisheries, the effects can be devastating. Increased flooding or drought can lead to infrastructure damage and economic losses. Understanding these economic consequences is vital for policymakers and businesses alike. The financial toll of ENSO events underscores the need for proactive measures to mitigate their impact. It's a stark reminder of how closely tied our economies are to the whims of the climate. 7. Climate change. The uncertain connection. While El Niño and La Niña are natural cycles, the specter of climate change looms large. Scientists continue to explore how climate change might influence the frequency, intensity, and impacts of these events. It's like trying to solve a complex puzzle with missing pieces. While the exact relationship remains uncertain, the potential implications are significant. Understanding this connection is crucial for future climate predictions and adaptation strategies. The interplay between ENSO and climate change is a dynamic field of research, offering insights into the complexities of our changing world. As climate change reshapes our environment, its influence on ENSO remains a critical area of study. 8. Predictability. A beacon of hope. Advancements in climate modeling have provided a beacon of hope in predicting El Niño and La Niña events. These models allow scientists to forecast these phenomena months in advance, offering valuable insights for disaster preparedness and resource management. It's like having a weather crystal ball, helping communities brace for potential impacts. Accurate predictions can make a world of difference, from agricultural planning to water resource management. The ability to anticipate these events is a testament to the progress in climate science. Predictability is not just a scientific achievement, it's a lifeline for those affected by ENSO's reach. 9. Environmental consequences. Nature's reshuffle. El Niño and La Niña leave their mark on the environment in profound ways. El Niño events can lead to widespread coral bleaching due to elevated sea temperatures, threatening marine ecosystems. On the flip side, La Niña can exacerbate hurricanes and cyclones in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, posing risks to coastal communities. These environmental consequences highlight the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. Understanding these impacts is crucial for conservation efforts and disaster preparedness. The reshuffling of nature's elements by ENSO events underscores the delicate balance of our ecosystems. As these phenomena continue to shape our world, their environmental consequences remain a focal point of study. 10. Historical records. Clues from the past. Historical evidence of El Niño and La Niña events is like a treasure trove of clues, offering insights into past climate patterns. Scientists study tree rings, coral records, and ice cores to uncover the history of these phenomena. These records help us understand how ENSO events have shaped climate in the past and improve future predictions. It's like piecing together a climate puzzle, revealing patterns and trends over centuries. By studying history, we gain valuable context for the present and future. These historical records are not just relics of the past, they're guides for navigating the complexities of climate science.